continue to track warming temperatures for the end of the week as we've already seen a big jump today thanks to more sunshine returning after yesterday's showers. We're getting well back into the 50s already for the early afternoon, and we'll continue to follow these rising temperatures in the coming days for possibly late week storms, but none of that expected for particularly today and tomorrow, with really better conditions to get outside ahead of that. As you'll see, we're near 60 today, getting actually well into the 60s though, likely tomorrow, as we do have a boundary overhead. Really not going to notice much from that other than some clouds for Wednesday, though as this will lift north as a warm front tomorrow, that is really what gets us into this warmer air here from the south. We're again well into the 60s likely for Thursday, and even our newest temperatures coming in into the 70s on Friday. That is unfortunately fuel for more of those storms, though. For Friday afternoon, we will see still increasing chances for severe storms there. That's 3 out of 5 risk for our entire area. It does drop off just to the east here, or excuse me, just to the west, though that is just where we're expecting these storms to initiate and likely progressively get more intense across our area. So still 3 out of 5 risk for all of our area, and we're a couple of days out of this system, so still we'll be expecting impacts from this here. Again, that's Friday afternoon with all cards on the table, and even something with our newest forecast we'll be monitoring is morning activity that was possibly looking to put a dent in some of that energy availability is not looking to pan out really. We likely won't see as much of the morning storms, which is just going to give more energy for that afternoon round, unfortunately. As you'll see here on this future track, those red colors, those indicating those warming winds here out of the south, getting us again into the 60s, even with clouds for Thursday. That could trigger some evening activity, likely just some lighter showers, though some thunderstorms could get embedded within that if we have enough energy available in the right places. Into early Friday, again, this morning activity is still a little bit uncertain here. This is Friday morning, not looking too hefty on these latest models, which is really not good news actually for the afternoon forecast. If that does not end up as strong, we'll see here by Friday afternoon. This thin line of storms is actually what we'll be tracking here. This is trying to resolve this pretty finely already, as we'll see those likely firing up in the early afternoon and quickly rushing through the area with these high winds there. You're seeing these warm temperatures fueling these storms in the 70s, and that's what's giving us good chance for those severe impacts across the area. It's very quick in and out. We'll actually see here again by the evening already clearing out of those clouds. We could have some lingering precip, though that severe risk should likely be over even well before the evening hours. We'll still continue to follow again all the cards on the table here with those severe risks, and especially the winds will be very enhanced really throughout all layers of the atmosphere with this system. You'll see at the surface already registering plus 40 miles per hour wind gusts area wide with this, and that's not really registering what will be out of those storms. Really do those intense winds is what we're watching for that tornadic potential as well. That is actually one of the maybe highlights we'll be following with this severe risks here, so certainly now is the time to grab that Storm Track weather app. Be prepared for those storms on Friday, and even into next week. We're already looking at our long-range forecast for Tuesday. Another severe risk highlighted across parts of the plains in the Midwest. So again, now is the time to be weather aware here getting into the spring season, and we will have a weather alert day for Friday afternoon.